how to create a Binance account on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create a Binance account on your device. So first thing, head over to your Play Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded the Binance application. And once you have successfully downloaded it, what you need to do is head over to your Binance application, and you can either log in with your email if you have existing one, or you can also sign up as continue with Google. So let me just continue with one of my Google account, and you just have to wait for some time for it to process. Next, simply click on next. From here you can choose it as it is an optional and follow along the for on-screen instructions. And as you can see, it's saying that all new and existing users are required to complete an intermediate identity verification to access full range of Binance products and services. You can verify it now by simply clicking on it like this, or you can also choose to verify it later. And once you are on this screen, it will take you about 7 minutes to provide your personal details, government issue ID, and other specific documents from here. And once you complete it, it will ask you to choose your nationality and date of birth and your residential address. And once you enter your residential details and postal code along with the city name, you will be redirected for the identity verification. And you can do this by either scanning your identity document or recording a video of yourself. And once you complete the on-screen instruction, you have successfully signed up by verifying with Binance application. So that is actually how to create a Binance account on your device. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.